Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you my new place. It's stunning, absolutely gorgeous right now. Literally almost all put together, but not totally. So here we go, and I already started by showing you guys a little bit, but I'm super excited to be back on my channel. Yeah. We're going to get into a lot of things, a lot of cool things, interesting things, new things, DIYs, all that. All the fun things behind the scenes of events and things. So it's gonna be super amazing, and I am super blessed to be able to still be here and still do things. So if you want to keep watching my journey, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'm excited to get to know all of you with me. So here we go. Here is my kitchen. I have this little candle. Super amazing, love it, absolutely recommend it. Have my cute flowers, of course roses, first and favorite option ever. And then I definitely have my two bar stools here, gifted from my mother. And they swivel, so definitely recommend them. This one doesn't swivel, but this one does. Whee! I always sit up here when I'm eating like cereal or breakfast. And this is like the cabinet space. Shades, I always keep them closed for now since I don't have the curtains yet. So, see a lot of things I still need. But yeah, I have my toaster. Keurig, of course. A little DRRD wine there. Well, it's like liquor, but you have to mix it yourself. Haven't done it yet. This is my aloe plant. And yeah, my kitchen. So gorgeous, I'm so happy. It's my trash bag. I have a trash bin, but don't use it. It's my air fryer, absolutely love it. I got it for like $25 from Amazon Marketplace. Here's my kitchen dining set. And this is like where I keep my little notes for the mornings, especially like when I need like work things or like motivation for work. Put it there. But yeah, for now I have my little candle and my little Amazon fireplace that I got. So I'll link this down below. You can do s'mores and stuff. This table I got also from Amazon Marketplace. These chairs as well. It's a high sitting one since that counter's tall. Wanted it to match. And this is like wallpaper. It's like one of these, but it came like this already. The chairs I need a revamp, so this will be turning white like that. And soon, this is my nail kit. I love doing my nails. So that's another thing we'll be doing together. And then I have my little thoughts planner here, and this is where I like to work and sit and like get in my mind here and creative and all that and get things done, be productive. This is my living room for now. My baby uses his mat always. He's right there. But yeah, he's always using the mat. I have my TV like this because it's gonna be here in like no time. So that's gonna come in soon. I'm gonna also vlog it so you guys can see the whole new living room. This desk is gonna be painted white, this little nightstand, and it's gonna be going in the second bedroom over there. I keep it shut for now since it's all, you guys will see. This is where I have like most of my work supplies, things here. And then I have my table. I love it because it has like the little decal, and that's exactly what that one has too. They spin. This is my mirror for now. I'm gonna change this to a nice standing mirror, long one, and then up here I'll hang something really nice, but I'm gonna use tape, not anything with the walls. So this as well, my painting, and Ashley right there in the front. But yeah, I love this coffee table, my Bible, of course, my notebook, and a picture of me when I was little. But yeah, he always has all his toys over here or in the bedroom. You guys will see that. Still no curtains as well. Once I get that all set up, I'll definitely put them in for the video. For now, this is my living room. I definitely want to get a massage chair here, recliner. It's gonna be black. And of course the black rug here, just so this echo can go away. That's why I'm talking a little low. I have my niece and nephews there and my photo album, love it. There's also photo frames. I'm gonna hang them up right there. And then yeah, this is my front door space, super nice, I love it. These are huge as heck. Those, yeah, they're closets, they're huge. So don't have nothing really in them. Waters, that's it. And then over here I have like an old set of my washer and dryer right there that I had in the other place, and then some computer supplies. So yeah, these stay closed. There's a boiler in there. And then let's go to my favorite part of the house, the room, the bathroom. I absolutely love it. It's stunning. I still have to get 2 more clips for this, but you know, we're working with what we got for now. I love the gray. This was like my theme. I have my little body wash, gray rug, love it. This, I still have to update or whatever, but at least have the grays, you know. Gotta wipe these a little better. This is my blood pressure machine. Have to check that every night and every morning. And then I have like cute little things here. Everything's ready to go. But my favorite accent is this bathtub, super nice. I love the tile. This is like a closet for like towels, etc. Looks messy right now because I just gave my baby a bath and a haircut this morning, so he looks super clean. And yeah, this is the second bedroom. It's gonna be the office. This is where I'm gonna move like the stuff from over there, but for now, I had to move this box spring in here because I don't need it. That little table is gonna be my Cricut thing where I do like my luxury decals, etc. and cups. So I'll link that down below as well so you guys can purchase. But yeah, like if you guys want to. Curtains still not here. This room's still gonna be the last room I think that I'll do like that. But yeah, that's like, all those have to go in like there because they're empty. And then a bed frame, etc. because it's gonna also be like the guest bedroom. And then over here I have my bedroom. Let me close this door. Bedroom is super cozy. I always keep one in here because we sleep here and I lock this door every night. The food, his dog food is in here. He just comes over here, he uses the potty, and he sleeps here with his other toys. Still have to get curtains. This is the bed frame. It just came in yesterday. My parents helped me build it. I'm getting a whole new set. It's gonna be put there and I'm gonna show you guys. Also like that. And then this is my frame. I'm gonna put that up there. Some mirrors here, make it like seductive and like really nice. TV is gonna go right up here on the wall, and then like a under shelf and some mirrors on the side as well. It's gonna be actually really pretty in here. And yeah, sleep with the hammer here, I know, but hey, protection for now. The alarms are coming in soon for all the windows, need those, but it is a nice neighborhood. And this, I love this, y'all. Diffusers are everything. Always watch something very motivational on TikTok. So that's what's going on right there. And then I always shut these off too, like anytime, because I'm trying to save on the bills as well, since it's a larger home than what I was in. The closet, I do have to put these all into hangers, so don't mind that. I gotta do it ASAP and soon. But yeah, I just been hanging out and chilling and doing what I gotta do. But this is it. Thank you guys for watching. And this is the yard. It's super huge. So I'm gonna put the grass soon. I definitely want to put like a hot tub there, and then like a tiki thing so like nobody sees me outside. I'd love that. That way I have privacy in the yard as well. Yeah, this is it. Final view. I have a washer and dryer. I have the fridge. So everything's set up and nice. Love it. And my car, Susie, is outside. Right there. But yeah, I'll be leaving now, y'all. I gotta go grab some more things from the store. Make sure I have some tape to put these up, and then you guys will see the new finish. So I appreciate you guys watching, and until next time, ciao.